Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give a complete explanation about two MNCs started their hiring. This is what they from temenos and another one will be aptive. This all the two companies started their hiring. Watch the video till end. You are going to spend 1 or 2 minutes. You will get 180 job. So this is what our channel. You can visit our channel at any time. Subscribe and like my channel. If you have any doubt regarding any kind of thing, you just comment me. I will help you. So let's go to the page. This is what aptive from e-litmus profile you are going to apply with it. So just to create a account in e-litmus. This is what Electronic Cities Bangalore for 7 to 6 LP fresher from 2022 patches. Aptive component Indian Private Limited, the ITMNs is for the Electronic Cities. So you can search it in Google before applying. You can see the reviews and everything. Everything will be online only, test date, drive date, everything will be online. So you don't worry bother about it. And the eligible criteria about the company, they mentioned they are having 46 clients, 2022 batch from B, CSEC, EEE and telecom, mechanical and related branches all can apply for this role. So no problem, PH score should be there. If you create a litmus account, you should write one exam called PH score exam. In that if you go 60%, it will be helpful for your academics will be 60%. You are going to work in any one coding language. If you are interested in an IT company, you just want to know one thing, you should be proficiency in any one coding language, C, C++, Java, Python, C/anyone. So this is what the package is, 6.5 for the starting bachelor student and a master student for 7.5. Ready to join immediately, they are mentioned in the Bangalore location only, Electronic Cities. So be ready guys. And the next one will be temenos from software engineering from Chennai. This is for the Chennai road. Saved jobs which I mentioned here. B, BTech all can apply for this role. They mention the skill set and their values and who can apply, everything they can mention here, the opportunities and the roles which they are hiring currently for the production analyst role from all over India. P, BTech, ME, Tech all can apply for this role. The communication will be troubleshooting excellent and Java, HTML, CSS and server block. If you have done any certification in any one language, it will be helpful for you to get a job. You are going to work in service based company, so all branches can apply if you have done any certification. So these are the two ITMNs started their hiring. If you have any doubt, comment me or provide link in the description. You can visit our channel at any time. Just subscribe, it will be helpful for you at one end. So thanks for watching this guys.